This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix black background display on your Windows 10 computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your display is black like mine here, you can fix this with simple steps. To do this, just go ahead and right click anywhere on your desktop and then choose this option, personalize. From this, you'll have this display. Go ahead and choose on background here. Now under background, head to background option. Currently you can see it is solid. That's why I have this black or dark display. Go ahead and scroll down under this and then choose the first option, picture. Now if you go ahead and choose picture, you can go ahead and choose any of these pictures here, the images you want. You can go ahead and add your own image or background picture that you wish. But if you want to use the default theme for Windows, just close this window and you should have your Windows fixed. As you can see, now I do not have the black background on my Windows 10 computer. So that's how you can fix black background on your computer in Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.